Alright everyone, we're just going to jump right into this tutorial. I'm going to start by blending out the foundation and concealer from her eyes. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite primer and prime her face. Next, we're going to go in with our Instapot brush to blend out her foundation. Then I'm going to highlight and contour her face and blend out the concealer with our Beauty Blender and the contour with the E46 Morphe brush. Next, after our J break, I like to go in with a lighter concealer under her eyes and on her nose. And I also like to cream contour her nose to make it more snatched. And then I'm going to blend out that concealer under her eyes and just blend out the face all over with just the creams. Next, I'm going to use my favorite setting powder, starting with her under eyes first, and then I'm going to blend out the rest of her face with my Morphe M433 brush. Next, I'm just going to contour the rest of her face with a powder just to set all the areas that we had put the cream contour on before, and I'm going to blend it out with that same Instapot brush. After I prime her eyes with my P. Louise base in the shade 3, I'm going to go into my Morphe and James Charles palette using the shade Skip, using my Morphe M505 brush. Then I'm going to use my Morphe M453 brush to blend out Escape into her crease. It wouldn't be right if we didn't take a glam break to fleek Miss J real quick, but I'm going to go right into our Juvia's Place powder to further highlight under her eyes. Then I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base to start cutting her crease, and I'm going to blend that out. Next, I'm going to go in with that same color Escape just to blend out the edges of her cut crease. Then I'm going to go in with Flashback and tap that all over her lid. Next, we're going to take our NYX vinyl liner across the top of her lid close to her lash line. Then I'm going to start drawing out a line for the wing, and I'm going to take the eyeliner from the tip of that line all the way back down to complete our wing. After we put some mascara on our lashes, we're going to go back in with that J. LaRue pigment in Heavenly and tap that on her lid. Then I'm just going to dust away all the powder and tap on some more of my Maybelline powder just to make everything more smooth. Next, we're going to put her lashes on. I like to center them in the middle, and then I attach the fronts, and then I attach the end. Next, we're going to go with my favorite favorite part, which is blush. I put it on her cheeks and her nose for a more doll-like look. Then I'm going to go underneath her eye with Escape and a smaller brush to really press that in and make it more prominent. Then I'm going to carve out underneath her eye with the Rumor Base in 0. And I'm going to tap on Flashback in the front and Playground in the middle. Then I'm going to tap Heavenly all over that. Now I'm going to go back in with Escape just to make all 3 colors blend a little bit better. And then I'm going to take the white eyeliner in her waterline and I'm going to put mascara on her bottom lashes. I also added a little more of the Heavenly loose powder in the corner of her eye. Now I'm just taking a little bit of the glue and some jewels just to go around her face, just for a little added effect. Also went in with some bottom lashes just to give her more of a poppin' look. And I'm going to spray her face with some Morphe setting spray and go in with my Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia. Now for everyone's favorite lip combo, I'm just going to take a light brown by NYX and I'm going to tap on a Lip Lingerie lipstick by NYX as well on her lid, and I'm going to blend that all out and throw on some gloss. Just like that, we are all done. This is the finished look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think. And many more videos will be coming to you soon.